Hi everyone, Lip Yao here, and this week I've been learning how to play the Palm Sunday hymn, All Glory, Laud and Honor. And I actually started out learning it on the key of C because the chords are easier, but it turns out that it's a little bit too low for me to sing to that, so I kind of switched key last minute to key of G, so that's what I'm going to be showing you in this video. But I'll post both the song sheet for the key of C and key of G in the links below, so you can choose which one suits your voice range better. So we're gonna play All Glory, Laud and Honor, and go play in the key of G. And the chords that we'll need are I just need 5 chords. I think most of them we have kind of done before. So G chord, which kind of looks like this. Okay, and C, which you know. Okay, D may be new. All 3 strings on the top 3 strings, 2nd fret. E minor and A. Okay, so these are the chords we need. And again, we're just going to do 2 strums per chord or 1 strum per beat. Again, you could also do the strum that I showed you where you go down, down, up, down. Right, so 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1. You could do that strum too, but we're just going to stick with the 1 strum per beat in the walkthrough. Okay, let's walk through the first verse slowly. Oh, glory, Lord, and honor to thee, Redeemer King, to whom the lips of children made sweet hosannas ring. Thou art the King of Israel, thou David's royal son. Who in the Lord's name comers, the King and blessed one. Okay, grab your song sheets and we're going to run through all the verses of this hymn once through. Oh, glory, Lord, and honor to thee, Redeemer King, to whom the lips of children made sweet hosannas ring. Thou art the King of Israel, thou David's royal accept the love we bring, who in all good delight us, thou good and gracious King. All glory, Lord, and honor to thee, Redeemer King, Lord, whom the lips of children made sweet hosannas ring. So that was All Glory, Lord, and Honor in the key of G. You can try it in the key of C. I have provided the link to the song sheet below, if that is easier for you. Again, you can just use simple strumming patterns. You can even just do one strum every 2 beats to start out with. Move on to 2 strums, and then move on to that strumming pattern where you go down, down, up, down. Go slow and practice this. Again, I've kind of enjoyed this hymn this week. It's appropriate since Palm Sunday is coming up, and hope you enjoy this hymn. See you next time.